Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Learning by Gyan. In today's tutorial we will learn the meaning of near in English and Hindi with example sentences. If you like this video, kindly hit like button and share this video to all. Meaning of near in English is get closer to something in time or distance, not far away to a place or time.
नियर का हिंदी अर्थ होता है पास, नजदीक, निकट, समीप और आसपास.
Example sentences. I warned you not to get near him.
मैंने तुम्हें चेतावनी दी थी कि तुम उसके पास मत जाओ.
The hospital is near here.
अस्पताल यहाँ से पास है.
Excuse me, is there a bus stop nearby?
माफ कीजिए, क्या पास में कोई बस स्टॉप है?
We live near a big library.
हम एक बड़े पुस्तकालय के पास रहते हैं.
There is a big park near my school.
मेरे स्कूल के पास एक बड़ा पार्क है.
Could you please tell me where the nearest church is?
क्या आप कृपया मुझे बता सकते हैं कि निकटतम चर्च कहाँ है?